Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm Alexia Kamiah, Alexia K. I'm going to be doing a week of my outfits. Now, in this video, I'm wearing all hats because I'm wearing all hats, period. Okay, don't worry about why I'm wearing all hats, but I'm wearing all hats in this video. Hopefully that doesn't bother y'all too much, but with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with outfit number 1, which is Monday. Okay guys, so this is the first outfit. As you see, we can start from the hat. Y'all got this hat from like PacSun or Zara. I always don't know where I got it from, but I know they don't sell it anymore, so don't even worry about that. Then I have on this top. I got this from Pretty Little Things. Super warm, super comfy, a very thick material. See, it's cropped with a little zipper. It's really cute and I really love the color. Moving on, I have on these jeans. These jeans are from, I believe these jeans are like from Shein. These are like really old jeans. They give me like the old style look that I was kind of going for. And then they have a few rips on the knee and on the back of the knee, and Air Maxes. I don't know if you can see the Air Maxes. They kind of match the style that I was going for, skater style, I guess, like, you know what I mean. And then they also match with my top. I just matched it with this red bag. So yeah, this is the outfit for Monday. Get into it. Okay y'all, so this is the outfit for Tuesday. I came in with the same hat because it just matched the top. I was like, okay, let me go ahead and put the hat back on. The top is from H&M. It's super cute. I really love the long sleeve and just the cut in the front, y'all. I love anything that like cuts. I really love anything that cuts in the front, and even like the little collar on it. It's super cute. This is one of the things like I literally picked up last week. And then also I have on these cargo pants that I got a while ago from Fashion Nova. It has like little pockets on the side, and then it even has like a orange zipper detail at the bottom of the pants, which gives it like a little different feel. And then I just paired this with these Comme des Garçons with the little red hearts on it. These Comme des Garçons are army green, so it matched with the pants, and then the red hearts matched with this little bag that I paired on again. Yeah, this is the little outfit for Tuesday. Still really casual and still cute at the same time. So this is outfit number 3, which is Wednesday. And today I went with this beanie that I got from my sister. She got it from Shein. It has like a little A on the back, but I just hid the A. And then also I have on this top that I got from Route 21, I think. I just bought it one day in the mall because I needed something, and I just bought the top. And then under here I have on this long sleeve shirt. It's like a little zip up that I got from Shein, and I'm just hiding like the zip up part, and boom, we made it into like a long sleeve little vest. And I really thought it gave like vibes. I love me a little collared top. And then I just paired it with these jeans, these high-waisted jeans that I got from Fashion Nova, and they are the wide leg pants. So as you can see, they're kind of wide at the bottom. I love how stretchy they are, and I feel like I washed it maybe like once or twice, and it still gives like this jet black color. And then also I have on these boots that I got from actually I think my mama just bought me these boots. I'm not sure, but of course I'll leave all the links down below. But these boots are like chunky, so I definitely thought it went with the rock star type vibe. I'm always saying rock star, y'all, but like that's what type of vibe it gives. And then also I got on this bag that I got from Ego. My mom gave it to me, and y'all seen this style before. It's like the Balenciaga dupe bag. It went well with the outfit, but I actually really like this outfit. Like really like it. Like this is hard. So yeah, this is the outfit. Get into it. Okay, so this is Thursday. Thursday I went really chill because Friday is the turn up, so I went really chill. I got this from Pretty Little Things. It's like this sweater material, but it's like very loose. Even the tights, y'all, the tights give the booty a little plump. And then it has like a tie in the front if you want to adjust it to your waist. And this 2-piece set does come together. I think I got this one in the size small. The arms are like very like long and loose, what I really love, just to be comfy, cute, and very low effort, because literally this pairs together and all I had to do was put it on, and it's super cute. So let's go into Friday. Okay, so this is Friday's outfit, y'all. I wore this in a similar way last Friday, but of course different because I didn't have this hat on. This purple really complements my skin tone. The hat is again from Shein. My sister bought it for me. And then also I have on this top that I got from H&M. That's like the little fur on the collars, and then it's like a tie in the front. This top is actually too big for me. This is a large, the only size they had, so I was like, I'm gonna get it anyway. And then I have on these jeans that I got from Fashion Nova. They have like these little details on them, like this little thing, and then also they have this little side pocket situation going on right here. Super cute. Oh yeah, and then the bottoms are like frayed a little bit. And then as you can tell, I have on these heels. This was like my concert outfit, and these are just these tied up heels. I believe I got them from like Shein. I really need to get a new pair though, because I don't really like this pair in pictures. And so also I got this bag that I got from Amazon, and yeah, this is the outfit for Friday. I'm not gonna lie, all these outfits really made me wish I had my belly ring. Like I lost it and I never put it back in. That's so off topic, but anyway, you guys, this completes my outfits of the week, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed these outfits and got some type of inspo to create your own outfits. This was fun. Of course, I really noticed that y'all like my outfit videos, so let me know if y'all just want to see me put together outfits, because that's what it's giving. I noticed that those are the type of videos that y'all enjoy, other than my hauls. Hauls are coming soon. I have like a whole announcement for that, but I'm gonna wait. So yeah, this completes today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure to follow me on my TikTok, y'all, because I'll be putting on outfits on my TikTok too. Y'all just follow me on TikTok, and yeah, that completes today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.